Now that we already did addition, now let's talk about subtraction. Subtraction with chips. Same thing, we still gonna come up with a key. So we're gonna make it key actually is gonna be red, not pink. So I'm gonna do red. So I'm gonna say subtraction is gonna be what? Our red is gonna be -1. So our red chip is -1. Our yellow chip is gonna be +1. Alright, so now that we got our key, we got our red chip and our yellow chip. Now let's just work some problem. So example 1, we're gonna do, let's do 3 minus -2. Alright. First thing, I don't really like subtraction when we do integers with chips. I always like to change it to positive. So to change it to positive, we're gonna do a thing called keep, change, change. Or a lot of people say keep, flip, change. So we're gonna keep the first number. So we're gonna keep it 3, change the subtraction to addition, plus, and change the -2 to a +2. Right? And then you can go from there. If you already got it, 3 plus 2 is 5, or you could just write it out. Erase that by going towards the key. So we know the key. Let's get yellow. I have what? 3 positive yellows. There you go. Plus the what? 2 positive. And then if you look at this, actually we don't have any what? 0 pairs. Remember, 0 pair is a positive chip attached to a negative chip. So at least we don't have, because all of them are all yellow chips. So you just count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, what? 5. So our answer is going to be what? 5. All right. So this is subtraction. Alright, let's erase that. So let's do one we gotta actually mix it up. So let's do 2 minus 4, right? And like I said, I don't like to do subtraction. So I do keep, change, change, or you could do keep, flip, change. It doesn't matter. It's the same process. So I keep my first number, which is 2. I flip my operation, which is what? Subtraction to what? Addition. And then I turn my +4 into a what? Negative what? 4. And then we go by the key. So our key tells us what? We have 2 positive. So I'm going to say 2 positive chips right here. Alright, so this is our key right here. So we have 2 positive chips, plus our what? 4 negative chips. So let me get to the red. So what? Red. Red. Red right here. So we got our 4 red chips. Now we find any 0 pairs. Yes, we do. We have what? 2 0 pairs. We got right here. We got here. And like I said, what? We kick them out the house. And then whatever left is our answer. So we got 2 what? Red chips, which is red means -1 for each chip. So we got what? -2. So that's our answer. All right. Don't forget. So when you're doing subtraction, right? Do keep, change, change. All right. So let's do one more example. Alright, one more example. Let's do negative 3 minus, let's do what? Let's do minus negative, let's do negative 2. Alright? Same thing. I don't want to do subtraction, so I'm going to make it into addition. So you do keep, change, change. Keep my first number, negative 3. Change my operation to plus, because that's subtraction. You do opposite. And if that's a negative 2, to become what? Positive 2. So it end up becoming negative 3 plus 2. So look at our key. So we're going to start with the red. So we got what? 3 negative chips. 3 negative chips. So we got 3 negative chips. Then I go to my yellow, I'm colorblind. Got what, 2 yellows? Alright. 2 yellows. Chips. Alright, so now I got my chip set. So I got 3 negative ones and I got what? 2 positive ones. Now you locate your 0 pairs. Here go 1. Here go another one. We kick them out the house. Kick them out the house. We don't need them no more. And then whatever's left, that's your answer. So I have what? 1 negative. So my answer is going to be what? Negative 1. And like I said, man, you just email me, communicate with me through Google Classroom if you got any questions, all right?